Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Brands Academy team, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you who are the winners of Brands Academy Excellence Awards, the most coveted awards of the year. And today, it's time for us to recognize all your efforts, all your hard work that you put into making yourself an unparalleled institution in your own, on your own. Brands Academy is the only organization in India to offer such an unparalleled platform to provide recognition and exposure to the efforts and contribution of individual professionals, small businesses, technology startups and companies, SMEs, and fast-growing organizations towards the economic growth of this beautiful country, and also generating employment for the Indian youth with establishing a credible business for yourself as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the one and only VVS Lakshman, who's already here with us. Give him a round of applause again. Sir, may I please request you to join us on stage, please? Sir, we're all honored here today to have you here with us today. I'd like to request you to please say a few words to all our winners as well this evening.
Thank you very much for those kind words. I feel great to be here. The reason being that you are amidst achievers. And I think it's a great initiative by the Brands Academy to get all the achievers in one platform where they're recognizing the performances of the achievers. I think that's very important. So thank you very much for doing that. To the Brands Academy, I think it's a great initiative because as a cricketer, I've known that when you're recognized for your performances, what you're trying to do for your team, for your country, it always feels great. And that's an encouragement you require. And I think that's the right kind of encouragement you're providing to all the entrepreneurs, all the achievers who are here by congratulating them for what they have done and by encouraging them and stimulating them to get better. So thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share the space with some achievers of the country in a different field altogether. And I wish all of you a lot of success, a lot of success, because India requires entrepreneurs. India requires people who have got a lot of faith in themselves, a lot of belief in themselves, and above all, who take a lot of pride in what they're trying to do. Congratulations and all the very best.
Here, ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like to extend the heartfelt thanks to all our partners and sponsors without the support of whom this magnificent event will not have been possible. First and foremost, I'd like to introduce to you all our hospitality partner, the very beautiful venue that we are at right now here, the Lalit Ashok Bangalore, that is graciously hosting this gala event. Can we have a round of applause going on to Lalit Ashok and team, please? We would like to extend our gratitude to our official media partners, including the TV media partner Bloomberg India, our magazine partner Delhi Press, visual media partner AdLabs, and outdoor media partner Starshine for partnering with us for this event today. We'd like to also thank our media partners for making it possible for us to showcase the achievements of our winners on the national level, which is a matter of great pride for all concerned. We'd also like to thank our road travel partner carsonrent.com and entertainment partner Step Up Dance Lab for their valuable support in making this event a great success. So without further ado, the most awaited part of this evening now going to unfold, because I'm going to call upon for the names of the recipients of various awards. Are you excited? Are you excited? Excited agidira? Excitement irukka? Ilya, excited Ilya ninga? Yes and sir. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and start out without further ado. And in no particular order, I'm just call upon all of these names. The award for the next most promising web development company in Bangalore goes to R Solutions. May I please request the MD and CEO, Mr. Badal Raja, and the director, Mr. Shikha Badal, to come up on stage to receive the award. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Raja is a visionary entrepreneur with an experience of over more than 10 years. He established R Solutions to provide optimized, cost-effective software and IT solutions. R Solutions has executed over 1,200 plus projects of various sizes for clients from different industries. Many congratulations. Would you like to say a few words?
Nothing much. It's only that thank you for this award. I've been in this industry for more than 20 years. And having that said, I've executed over 1,500 projects. And this is not possible without the support of our clients, who actually trusted us with what we did and were there with us in every thick and thin. So I support that it all goes to them and to the dedication of our staff, well-wishers, family members, and above all, God. That's it.
Congratulations.